Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the gift card balance and expiry so you know its value. Log into your Max account using email and password. Once signed in, navigate to account or billing immediately because that's where payment methods live. Make sure your account region matches the card's region to avoid rejection and keep the physical card or code visible for entry. If you bought digital delivery, copy the redemption code now. This saves time during the next step. You proceed by opening account, then billing and choosing Redeem Gift Card or Enter Code. Type the code exactly as shown because one wrong character stops the process. Once accepted, decide whether to apply the credit to your current subscription or keep it as account balance. This affects billing cycles and auto-renew behavior. If you have multiple payment methods, make sure Max will use the gift balance first. Confirm the new payment method order. Then save. You finish by confirming the gift credit appears on your billing page and that the next payment date reflects the applied amount. Play something briefly to ensure access. If the code fails, make sure the card was activated at purchase, the code was entered exactly, and your Max region matches the card. These are the most common issues. If problems persist, contact Max support with a screenshot and transaction info so they can resolve activation, region, or balance errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.